now guys, let's learn the plane. This is the Marsilia Line. Until what is that? Comment guys and what is that in the detail. This is United, do you know? This is the not old. This is a new United. Is it there? So cute. Emotion damage. Emotion damage. This is Emirates. This is going to Dubai. This is map to Dubai. This is Emirates. I like them. This is the bear. This is still do good. This is good. Do you wanna Arabic? Like and comment in your map is Dubai. This is Emirates. Do you love Emirates or the United? Wait, comment in section. Let's see the one. This is AirAsia. AirAsia Micron. This is one. This is my new week, guys. This is my new week. Then this is one minute. And it's so nice. Look at that. This is going to Malaysia. Comment the section in your map is Malaysia. This is got likes Aurora plane. Look at this is your favorite plane. What's your favorite? Emirates, United, AirAsia Home. What do you want? Comment section then too. And say 3. The last is FedEx. This is FedEx. Oh, the last. This is those 1, 2. Whatever 1, 2, 3. This is FedEx. I don't know Windows. This is instead. This is his engine. 2 engine. 2 wings. That one and rod. What's your favorite? This is coming to American. What you can get. Wait, let's finishing the videos. This is Philippine Airlines like new plane. In August or September alone, November 8th. Because it's 2025. This is that. This is the Philippines. This is me because I'm Philippines. I'm going to speaking America in America. See me. This is the Philippines. It's okay, guys. Then those like that, bro, and that. And the last one is Cathay Pacific. Let's do it. This is Cathay Pacific, the cutest plane. It's going to Hong Kong, guys. You see, this is going to Cathay Pacific. This is Windows. Look the tail. Yeah, but this is his engine, and this is his engine. This is his same like that, bro, like that, then see. And she have a like that, and like that in the plane, guys, like that. And this is the door, cockpit, and the end window, and the model. To the side, she's clear box. This is back to row, and then to Cathay Pacific. Cathay Pacific going to Hong Kong. That's good, guys. Like and subscribe. In United, like in your favorite Emirates, subscribe. In that, share, and do that, comment, and do that, do all, and do that is you owe them to. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Please subscribe. Subscribe my channel, please. And subscribe my channel. And goodbye.